You clicked on this video at the right time because the Bitcoin price is beginning to crumble, now losing upward sloping support of this parallel channel, thus increasing the probability that this could potentially be one gigantic bear flag with a target down towards the 20K region. We have a lot to discuss here today, so let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So today we're going to focus on the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust chart, ticker symbol GBTC. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this product, basically it's a trust where they purchase Bitcoin and hold it, but the caveat here is that investors cannot redeem any Bitcoin out of this trust, right? Bitcoin cannot be withdrawn by investors from this trust. Thus, it creates a situation where this fund is either trading at a premium or a discount in relationship to the actual spot price of physical Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look here at the GBTC discount or premium to the net asset value chart, you can see here that we're currently trading at a minus 25.5% discount compared to the actual spot price of Bitcoin. Savage, heinous, borderline ludicrous, if you do in fact ask me, but it is what it is. And if we scroll down here, you can actually see that at times it's been worse. Just several days ago, it was over minus 26% on the discount side. And really, for the past several months at this point, you can see even dating back into March, we were at minus 27. We've been at a heavy discount for quite some time now. So this puts the entire crypto market in a very unique situation here, folks, because why would speculators bother buying spot BTC when the GBTC price is trading at a minus 25% discount in relationship to the spot price? You see what I'm saying here, right? Now, this is interesting because if we switch over to the 5-year chart, I just want you guys to understand that this isn't always trading at a heavy discount like this. In fact, this is rather new. This really only started happening in 2021. You can see here in the years prior, we were trading at a premium. Mostly. I mean, a huge premium. At times you're paying over 20%, 30%. Back here, even, I mean, in the early days, over 50% more than the price of spot Bitcoin. And the reason that speculators were willing to pay these prices is because Bitcoin was so bullish, and this is a product that is available on traditional brokerages, right? So if you have a stock market trading account, this is a product available to you rather than having to create a separate crypto account on a crypto exchange to buy spot. So this is a very, very interesting time here, folks. And this, more so than anything, in my opinion, is just showing that right now, the market is very, very weak. And if you're not understanding what I mean by this, people are selling GBTC at a minus 25% discount in relationship to the spot price of Bitcoin, and people still aren't buying it. Let's go back to the trading chart now. So I hope you're seeing the glaring issue here, and if you are appreciating me showing you this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for hitting that thumbs up, and if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on the internet, period. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Now, take a look here at what we're looking at. Of course, we had a lower high opposite of Bitcoin. The spot Bitcoin chart up here during this time actually put in a higher high. Mind you, it was a fake out, but it put in a higher high. And I've been showing you this for quite some time since this occurred. So if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know this. That this to me here was a bearish divergence, right? We saw Bitcoin stick in a higher high, yet we saw this product stick in a lower high, and this to me was worrisome. Now, fast forward several months at this point, we are seeing weakness here. We've seen what could resemble a possible bear flag. We'll talk about this in a moment. I mean, no matter how you want to slice it, right now we are potentially in a rising wedge pattern, which is breaking to the downside here on the weekly chart. And the big takeaway, folks, is that right now, this product, with where it's sitting at right now, is at a 25% discount compared to Bitcoin, and the sell pressure is still absolutely ginormous. This is problematic for Bitcoin, in my opinion, folks. And you can see here that this area down below, there's nothing here, right? There's nothing here. We don't have price confluence until all the way back down in this range, which for me is roughly between $18 and $14 USD, which is right now, if we pull it, basically a 28 to a 40% move to the downside. Let's get this crypto. Now, of course, this chart is not ever going to follow Bitcoin perfectly. As you can see, there are premiums and discounts to take into consideration, but this thing front ran Bitcoin all the way back up here by sticking in a lower high. Right now, it appears to me that it could be front running Bitcoin again in terms of breaking down out of this potential bearish rising wedge pattern. And you can see here, if we go back to the spot Bitcoin chart, you'll see what I mean, right? This breakdown has not been as severe as the breakdown on GBTC, in my opinion. And it's possible that we're seeing it sell off a little bit faster, indicating that, hey, this may be a time here where we need to prepare for potential capitulation. Let's get this crypto. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know that many aren't going to be happy to hear this type of sentiment. Oh, Kirby, you haven't even uploaded a video in 2 weeks, and now you're coming on here saying that we could reach capitulation? Yes, Stunad. I haven't made a video in 2 weeks because Bitcoin has been borderline unbearable. The price action here has been lackluster. We've been trading sideways for months and months on end. We haven't seen any type of exuberance coming into the Bitcoin market. GBTC is trading at a discount. We have global economic uncertainty. We have geopolitical concerns around the world. We are seeing GDPs drop. We're seeing fiat currencies losing value across the globe. And what do you know? All the while, Bitcoin continues to either do nothing or continue to trend to the downside. This asset, in my opinion, right now is trading like a tech stock. If you are subscribed to this channel, I discussed it on my last stream that we have seen a heavy correlation between Bitcoin and the NASDAQ 100. And if we take a look here at the NASDAQ 100, folks, this is a nasty, nasty change of trend here. This was the 2019 global health uncertainty debacle bottom. We had an immaculate rally all the way up here towards 17,000. And then what do you know? Whoopsies! We fell out of this bullish channel and dropped into a bearish one. And right now we are still, until proven otherwise, on a trajectory of lower highs and lower lows. Right now, if Bitcoin is going to continue to follow this type of trend, basically mimicking the NASDAQ 100, I don't see anything here that's overwhelmingly bullish, in my opinion. And back here on the Bitcoin chart, I just want to make it very, very clear, folks. To me right now, if the bears are in control, the next target range for me is 31,000 down to about 28,000 flat. That would be a retest of the multi-year lows here, right? We started this all the way back here in early January. We tested it again here in July of 2021. Both of these were in 2021, if I wasn't clear. And now it's possible that we could look for a possible retest down to this range once again. And if that breaks, folks, kiss it goodbye, in my opinion. There's nothing else there built here until about 20,000 USD. Okay? So if we were to see that fall through, this could wind up being a trap door, in my opinion, with a target of roughly 20,000 USD. Let's get this crypto. And Above all else, I forgot to mention it earlier, both here on Bitcoin and on the GBTC chart, you can see that we have what could resemble an absolutely gigantic bear flag, which we could be beginning to break down out of right here, right now. I mean, connecting these two lows here, we've broken the channel. The next warning sign, folks, is to drop below this low here at about 34,400. Of course, if we drop below that, watch out below, as the probability continues to increase at that point for a drop all the way back down into this $31,000 to $28,000 range. And then, like I just stated, if we were to drop below there, then the probability increases once more for a potential drop down to about 20,000. Let's get this crypto. So right now, folks, I hope you understand why I haven't been uploading videos regularly. This market has been so abysmal. The trading environment as a whole has just been, as I stated earlier, almost unbearable at this point. So as a speculator in this market, I'm actually excited that we're beginning to possibly see a break here, not only on this chart, but on GBTC as well, because this could provide absolutely potentially life-changing trading opportunity for those that are willing to play it to the downside, right? You're going to see 99% of people on social media saying, I'm buying the dip. This is the best buying opportunity of all time. Well, you know, the thing is that those that are crushing the market, they're not always just looking for buying opportunities, Stunad. There's a thing called shorting where you can play the market to the downside and make potentially life-changing, juicy gains if this thing is to drop. And as you should all know, if you are subscribed to this channel, that I am always looking for potential opportunity for myself to the upside and to the downside. And I keep you all exclusively updated with all of that in VIP. All of my real-time trade setup ideas, real-time entry ideas, strategy ideas, and potential take profit ideas exclusively in absolute real time as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are not already in my VIP and you see what's in front of you right now and you want all of my real-time trade setup ideas and alerts as this market continues to possibly break down, well, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, let's go. And with that being said, if you did enjoy here today, ladies and gentlemen, I would appreciate that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of the most must-see Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. And until next time, the dawn has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine. Then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.